Greetings everyone! In this video, we will quickly learn how you can change WordPress admin email using a database. So we are already logged into our WordPress dashboard, and if you go to Settings and General, you can change this administrative email address from here. You can directly change it from here, but it will require confirmation, and sometimes you may not receive a confirmation email. So we will use the database instead. For that, log into your cPanel. Click on phpMyAdmin. So we are in the database. Click here and click on WP options. Now you can find the admin email here. Simply click on Edit. Here is the admin email. Let me quickly change it to a new email. So this is the new email address, and click on Go. So it is done. Let me go back to the dashboard, and let's refresh this page. As you can see, the email address has been changed. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.